What's up guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make money online fast, or you can also say how to make your first money online. Okay, basically everything that sucks is really making your first money online, because once you have figured out how to make your first dollar online, then you can just replicate it and make a ton of money. So ultimate guide is of first making your first $100 first money online. Okay, and in this video I'm going to share with you exact blueprint to make $100 or even more every single day. It's my open challenge guys. If you are going to follow this rule for 30 days, just follow this. Do not just say that I'm following. Follow to make the real money, and nobody can stop you to make your first money within just 30 days. Okay, you may not make $100, but absolutely you will make your first money. So now, but before we jump into the video, if you want to make $100, here is 100% free training. In this training, I have shared 4 free traffic sources with which you can easily make $100 every single day. And also, if you are in the niche of making money online and entrepreneurship related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos on this channel. Now guys, how are you going to make $100? Not even $100, I will say your first money online, because once you have figured out how to make your first money, you can ultimately replicate that and make thousands of dollars. So what is the guide that I'm going to be share with you? Literally guys, what we need to do, we simply need to do some of the things. What we are going to do, we are going to use the social media. We do not have any money, that's okay, but you have to do work. If you are not going to do work, ultimately nobody can help you to make your first money online. So look at this over here. These are the social media platforms. These are what? These are the social media platforms, and we are going to utilize these traffic sources, and we are going to build our own email list, and then we are going to monetize it. You might be thinking within 30 days getting our first dollar is really kind of insane. No guys, it's not insane, it's 100% realistic. So what we are going to do, we are going to provide the valuable content on the social media. Okay, if the one thing you need to take care, you need to shift from the just consuming content to creating content. The day you will start creating content, you will start getting results. This is the one of the ultimate hack that nobody is doing. They are just keep on going consuming content and nothing is happening just because they are not taking action. So what we are going to do, we are going to build the traffic sources over here. What we can do, literally, let me just tell you. For example, here is Facebook. You can see there are thousands and thousands of groups on the Facebook. Look at this, weight loss groups. And look at this over here. When I will click on the groups, look at this. Here is group of 637,000 members, 103,000 members, 154,000 members. Okay, you just need to sell to one guy. What you are going to do, just join about 5 to 10 groups every single day, and you will see people are asking lots and lots of questions. Just do one thing, go in those groups and see which people are asking questions, what the question are they asking. Simply do one thing, just reply them. That's it. Reply them with a valuable answer. When you are going to do the valuable answer, people will see you as an authority figure. They will see you that you are really kind of expert in that niche. Okay, and they will be coming back to you on Messenger or whatever it is, and they will ask you, do you have any course? Okay, they might be asking for something, and on that time we are going to do our main thing. What we are going to do, we have created a free training related to our niche. For example, if you are in the niche of weight loss, then you can create a free guide to lose 1 kg weight within just 7 days. Or if you are in the niche of making money online, you can provide a free guide of making your first money online, and all these things you can provide. So when somebody is going to ask you, you can tell them that look at just check out this training. This is 100% free, and if you are going to work this, you will get results. And the second thing you can do, just go in these groups, and when you are going to answer in the end, just tell them to know more about this, just check out this 100% free training. Absolutely, you will start getting good results guys, good results. The results will not be good after some time. It will be keep on building up passive income. What you need to do, you need to build up your profile. In the profile, you need to add the over here, just come over here, and you can see over here, just add your website link. For example, just add an image something like this and add the link of the website. So when the people will see, let me check this, who is this guy who is helping a lot of guys. why he is helping me, who is he, what he is selling, what he is providing. So to find answer to all of these questions, they will come back to your profile, and that is the time they will see this training and they will click this link. Although I have removed the link from about some days, but really guys, I'm getting tons and tons of clicks just from here. So this is one of the tactic over here. So this is really guys, just do it for 30 days, and within just 30 days you will be having at least 300 person in your email list. So what you need to do, we are going to drive the traffic from here. We are going to provide the valuable content answering people questions, and the fourth thing you can also do, join these groups and just give a valuable content. Just make every single day one post that should be valuable post that is going to teach everybody something. So this is also called attraction marketing. So they will come back to your profile and click the link. Okay, so we are going to drive the traffic from here. What we are going to do, we are going to drive the traffic to our opt-in page. This is the page where we are going to provide something for free. That can be a video training, that can be PDF, but really guys, PDF always does better. To just provide them something that they can consume instantly and start getting results. Do not just give like 20 days training, because they might not get result. They need something which they can consume immediately, and they can just start applying in their business. So you need to do this, and what we are going to do, we are going to collect their email with the help of this. Okay, and if you do not have any money, you can use the get response, which is completely free, and you can opt for 30-day free trial. Okay, so now we are going to drive the traffic from here, and thereafter we can send them emails. Maybe email 1 valuable email, email 2 also valuable email, but in the third email you can sell them something, and again you can follow these same follow-ups. So when you are going to do this, you can at least make $3 to $4 email. Okay, per email. Let's say you are not going to make $3 to $4 for every single email, but at least you can make $1. Okay, it's the bare minimum guys, it's the bare minimum. You need 3 things. What are the 3 things you need? You need respect, trust, and report. Okay, if these 3 things are not present, they do not trust you, they do not respect you, and report. Finally, if they do not trust you, nobody is going to buy from you. So you need to build the relation with them. Just provide them valuable content. Do not just keep on selling. Okay, so we are going to just follow this tactic, and in this training I have shared with you 4 free traffic sources, plus a lot of more things, how you can build a high converting landing page. Okay, and I have shared also some of the another tactics of using the get response and everything guys. In this free training I have shared the complete blueprint, and absolutely it is the in-depth tutorial of this short video. Okay, so you can just check out this training in the link. The link is in the description. Let me tell you more. Okay, let's say if you are not going to use the Facebook, you might be thinking, okay, I'm going to use the Facebook, but what if I am only going to get 200 sales? 200 leads. Okay, 200 leads. What you can do guys, just go in these groups and start at least answering 50 to 100 questions every single day. When you are going to answer 50 people every single day, at least 5 are going to click on that. Okay, 5 are going to click that link. That means it's about 30 people. Okay, and with in 30 days it's about 150. Plus you are also going to post on these groups. You are also going to give them some are also going to come to you, because they will see you as an authority figure. So getting 200 leads in the first month is not a big deal. Okay, so now you have got on your 200 leads. What about the another leads? Our target is to get 1000 leads within just 30 days. So this is the tactic. This is the complete blueprint I have shared in this training. Okay, let me share with you some more things. You can also use the forums. Just go in the forums, and guys, forums are the ultimate sources, because those are the centered, because these guys are only related to the weight loss. So they will be much more targeted audience than the Facebook group are also like the forums, and also these forums really work very well. So you need to do the same thing. Just answer 50 comments every single day on the Facebook. Just answer 50 questions every single day on the forum. forums. Okay, and also put a valuable post on the forum. When you are going to do this, you will start generating a ton of traffic. What I will suggest you, literally, I'm not going to tell you just work for 8 hours or 10 hours. You might not do that. So what you need to do, you just need to work 2 hours every single day, and within just 30 days, it's my open challenge, guys, because this is the exact blueprint I have followed and made my first money online. Okay, and within just 2 hours of doing every single day, but you need to be consistent, you can easily start getting results. Easily within a month you will be at 1000 leads, and with 1000 leads you can make up to $3,000 to $4,000. And you can also repeat this tactic, plus your results will be keep on getting bigger, and the next month you can again invest those $3,000, $4,000, and can get 1000 more leads with the completely free automatic traffic. So this is what you need to do. And also, guys, you can go to the Quora.com. On the Quora, leave a valuable answer, guys. There are people who are, one of my friend made just about $6,000 within his first month on Quora. He just answered 100 questions and he made over and over a lot of money, guys. Look at this. This answer has got made a lot of money. Look at this, because it has gotten 156 upvotes and 11 shares. So literally, guys, these are the things you need to give value in every post. The more and more the value will give, the more and more the people will see you as an authority figure. So you need to remember this. Just, guys, if you are going to do this about 200 questions every single day, it is going to take you 2 hours. Okay, and with those 200 questions, you can easily get at least 30 plus leads every single day. We are not, because these 200 questions will be seen by much more guys, because in a group of 197,000 members, not just one people who is just answering a question, who is just putting a question. He is not only going to see the answer, but lots and lots of guys are also going to see the answer. Out of these 637,000, at least 100 are going to see the answer, and out of those 100, can just you get 10 clicks? Absolutely, guys. So you have generated 10 leads just from here. Okay, and another 10 leads from one forum, and another 10 leads from Quora. So with that time you have done your answers, they will be in the group for lifetime. You will keep on generating leads from the Quora. You will keep on generating the posts you have made on the forums, because they will be there for lifetime. Okay, so this is the exact blueprint I have with which I have made my first money. And for the in-depth tutorial, check out this free training. I highly recommend you. If you are not going to take action, nobody can make you your first money. You need to take action from today itself. Just close this video now and just start taking action. So this is the first step you need to do, and I will see you in the training. So bye bye.